connect with them. They're fantastic. And also my Sifu is Charles Gregory. All right, do that. You can always get in touch or ask me. And if you really want to learn, invest money, learn. I always invest money to learn, to upgrade myself. That's what I want to let you know. If there's any online courses, just sign up, whatever that you can afford according to your budget. The more you invest on yourself, you're sending the signal out that, hey, I can afford this. I'm a business person and it's going to come back to me. All right, it's going to come back to me and I'm going to gain from that. So just, get that in your perspective. And then here, okay, Canva. Okay, so Canva is a very, very good, so free. Yeah, I know a lot of free things in the YouTube. I only invest for my learning, for some certification program. All right, so this is where you can design anything. So the good thing about Canva is that there are templates. And when you say templates, okay, if you want to do a Facebook post, there are templates because Facebook, the banner, the size and all is different. Instagram, there are templates for you. Facebook cover, the cover of your thing that you want to do, all right? So the size and everything, you no need to crop and all, is already here. Okay, if you want to do flyers also, so you have this kind of a format, or you want to do presentation. Now, this is not when you download this, it is a PDF. Now, I just want to show you, and then when you're downloading, right, you have to play around with it, right? Just say that YouTube thumbnail. You see, you want a YouTube thumbnail, you can also take from here. So just say you click on this. Ta-da! So that's the page, and then you start to edit it, all right? You start to edit with your colors. I want like that. All right, and then I want to use this template. You click. I'm doing like a crash course here, right? And you just play around with it, all right? Guys, when we girls, when we're so young, we just write and draw and scribble. We just play around, and we stop that already because we're getting older. Right, a bunch of young people in the room. Anyway, I'm just about 20 times 2. Okay, so you have like, okay, you can put your photos. And so just say if you want to, if here means pro means you need to buy, because this guy is showing his biceps, so we need to buy his picture. No need lah, right? Pay $1, but it's very cheap lah, $1 only for his shoulders. But there are a lot of free items that you can get from Canva. So many things, and you can upload your own things into it. So your thumbnail will be so cantik. Okay, I'll just show you a template that I did. Home. So these are all, I use Canva a lot, but let me assure you, it does take time. Right, these are all my designs. And then, oh, this one just I did, right? So I'm just gonna, oh, so sorry. Just a rather sensitive home. All right, so whatever design that you already have, the good thing about Canva is that it keeps it here. So I've done a presentation for my clients. I've used this kind of presentation, all right? And then the game changer, if you see that, my girl's birthday party, I've also used this. And this GEMS Academy proposal I sent out to a client. I've done flyer. This is my company logo. So I've uploaded all this first. This is in my LinkedIn. This is where I learned the banner, the size of the banner, right? So this is how it's going to look like. Because sometimes when you put pictures, right, this is Katla, that is Katla. So you take the right template. So this is what I want to share with you is this. Okay. I've designed this. Neerkonda Parve is a workshop, seminar, Zoom Zoom session that we are doing on Thursday, and this is the first time that it's going to be in Tamil, so it's like really, really good. And I will send this to you all for your Tamil speaking people. So I've designed the whole thing, all right? But of course, this took me in total, right, 10 hours to do. 10 hours for this one flyer, 10 hours. So people, it's not easy. All this is not easy. Are you willing to spend your time on it? Of course, you don't sit the 10 hours doing it. So you have to pandai, do your time management. All right, what's the time management right now? 9:02. Okay, so you need to, really pandai manage your time. It does strain, and then I get backache because I sit here, and then when I wake up, I'm all sweaty and it's all sticky. And I do inner work. Inner work meaning I do my yoga, I do a lot of breathing, I don't do hardcore because of everywhere pain. Work on yourself before you start work, not before. Concurrently, when you're working on all this, don't wait until you are perfect. Don't wait until you have all the money. Don't wait until your kids are bigger. Don't wait until your husband comes back home or something. Sometimes they never come back, okay? So don't, all right? Just start, saliva. Just start doing, all right? Just breathing exercises, yoga, whatever exercises, dancing, playing instrument. Take care of yourself because you're gonna be appearing on the video soon. All right, with that, I am done. I am done, man, done.